Hello, I'm Marla Dowell, Director of the NIST Communications Technology Laboratory, or CTL. We are proud to work in partnership with the NextG Alliance and lend our expertise to the collective impact of advancing the next generation of communications technology. The NextG Alliance roadmap to 6G will encompass the full life cycle of research and development, manufacturing, standardization, and market readiness. All of these are critical issues to advance North American leadership in wireless technology. This roadmap effort is well aligned with NIST's mission to promote American innovation and industrial competitiveness, and our laboratory's efforts to advance connectivity, enhance performance, grow our economy, and improve lives. With a team of over 350 people and 50,000 square feet of collaboration space, I'm excited to share with you a few of the key capabilities that NIST brings to the Alliance to support the 6G roadmap. We have unique expertise in standards, advanced communications research, and applications needed for the U.S. to ensure the NextG systems are secure, reliable, interoperable, and cutting edge. Our success is founded in partnership and investment to support our nation's manufacturing ecosystem. We are working with the National Science Foundation, industry, federal agencies, and the research community to accelerate research on resilient and intelligent next generation systems, or RINGS program. Industry partners include Apple, Ericsson, Google, IBM, Intel, Microsoft, Nokia, Qualcomm, and VMware. The RINGS program will bring $40 million in funding over the next 3 years, starting interdisciplinary collaborative projects that have the potential to significantly impact emerging NextG wireless communications. The RINGS funding of projects that will take advantage of our next state-of-the-art NIST testbeds and infrastructure for 5G. This year, NIST will also conduct a next generation wireless R&D gaps analysis. NIST is partnering with NSF and the Department of Defense to identify technical gaps critical to the sustained innovation of post-5G wireless systems. This project will build on the future generation wireless R&D gaps analysis published by NIST in 2018. Our 2018 Wireless Gaps Report, also known as NIST Special Publication 1219, is one of our most downloaded reports, and we look forward to working with stakeholders like the NextG Alliance and their members to help shape its update. I'm pleased that the NextG Alliance is also addressing the societal and economic needs for future wireless technologies. Climate change is an important part of our approach to addressing societal and economic impact in the NextG Alliance roadmap to 6G. From monitoring to standards to intentional partnerships, NIST has a long-standing program to support the environment. Implementation of renewable energy and climate change-related policies around the globe will require access to accurate, internationally recognized measurements and standards. NIST works with other federal agencies to develop or extend internationally accepted traceable measurements, standards, methodologies, and technologies that enhance measurement capabilities for greenhouse gas emission inventories and measurements critical to advance climate science research. NIST provides measurements and standards that support accurate, comparable, and reliable climate observations, and provides calibrations and special tests to improve the accuracy of a wide range of instruments and techniques used in climate research and monitoring. This year, we also launched our Public Safety Communications Innovation Pulse Accelerator program, connecting tech startups with mentoring, funding, and access to the technology community of innovators. By connecting the public safety community with innovators, the result is moving technology from concept to commercialization. With NIST's Tech to Protect Challenge, we will have a lasting impact, raising $5 million in follow-on investments to continue developing public safety communications technologies. In addition to the increased safety of our first responders and their communities through improved communication technologies, our efforts have equaled over $500 million in economic impact for the U.S. This highlights NIST's role in investing in sectors that do not have a traditional commercialization return on investment. Building our innovation ecosystem for NextG communications must be founded on data-driven spectrum policy. NIST has demonstrated success as a neutral party to tackle the measurement challenges of spectrum management through the National Advanced Spectrum and Communications Test Network. Hosted by CTL, NASTN is a multi-agency chartered partnership that organizes a national network of federal, academic, and commercial test facilities. It provides testing, modeling, and analysis necessary to develop and deploy spectrum sharing technologies and inform future spectrum policy and regulations in partnership with our members at the DoD, NASA, NIST, NOAA, NSF, and NTIA. By utilizing a sophisticated testing methodology for measuring LTE emissions, our aggregate LTE research team helped inform the root causes of wireless interference in that spectrum range. Our team is currently working on several projects looking at 5G technologies raised by the weather forecasting community and others for potential spectrum collisions in other bands, resulting from the deployment of 5G and beyond technologies. NASTN brings together the experts and assets from across the federal sector to address the complex coexistence issues of today's spectrum challenges. So I want to thank you for this opportunity to support the Next G Alliance road mapping effort and to share with you some of the exciting ways that we will be working with the Alliance. With over a 100-year history in communications research and a legacy of integrity, NIST stands at the forefront of science in this area. We look forward to continuing our partnership with the Next G Alliance to realize the future of North American communications.